Not sure how to use your Chigo AC Remote? Model number ZH/TL-02. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Chigo AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. The clean button starts the appliance's self-cleaning cycle, helping to remove dust or moisture buildup to keep airflow fresh and ensure optimal performance. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Pressing the Celsius and Fahrenheit button allows you to quickly switch the temperature display between Celsius and Fahrenheit. This provides flexibility depending on your preferred unit of measurement. The hold button locks the current settings or display on the unit, preventing accidental changes until the button is pressed again. Press the light button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC operation. Now you know what every button on your Chigo AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.